Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to solve a competitive exam problem in a very simple way. Now let us see the problem. In an examination, A has secured 10% less marks than B has secured 25% more marks than C, and C has secured 20% less than D. If he has secured 360 out of 500, then find the marks secured by D. Now let me start one by one. He has given A has secured 360 out of 500. So let me first find the marks of A in terms of percentage. So 360 by 500 into 100. When I cancel, I am left with 72%. So this is the mark secured by A. Now let's go to the first condition. Now they have given A has secured 10% less marks than B. Now that is the condition here. So let me find the marks secured by B. Now the formula to find less percentage is nothing but 100 by 100 minus less percentage. So since we are going to find the marks secured by B, the condition is A has secured 10% less than B. So 72% into 100 by 100 minus 10%. So 72% into 100, 100 minus 10 gives me 90. So when I cancel, I'm left with 80%. Now this is the marks secured by B. In condition, B has secured 25% more than C. Therefore, the marks secured by C will be marks of B into 100 by 100 plus 25% because 25% more. So now 80% into 100 by 125. So when I cancel, I get 64%, which is nothing but the marks secured by C. The third condition states C has secured 20% less than D. Now let us see what is the mark secured by D. Now this is the mark secured by C. So 64% into 100 by 100 minus 20% because 20% less. Now 64% into 100 by 80. So when I cancel, I get 80%, which is nothing but the marks secured by D. Friends, we will see more of this competitive exam based questions in the coming videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.